removing large trees with an excavator not only requires strength, but also brings amazing results when even the tree roots are removed. Join us to explore these wonderful scenes through the following video. The excavator completed the felling of the large old tree safely and accurately, ensuring no impact on the surrounding environment. Clearing the land for the factory construction project is more convenient than ever thanks to the Kobelco SK20010 excavator. No need to dig. Cutting large trees with this excavator saves time and effort, while also facilitating the rapid implementation of other construction work. Indeed, the power of the Senisai 200C excavator makes finding a large tree incredibly simple. He took down a dead walnut tree on the farm with a Groundhog ZH40D. Imagine how much time you could save with a device like this. It was true that with just one decisive push, the bulldozer impressively brought down these large trees. Using a John Deere 4410 tractor to remove the double oak tree from his garden was a smart and effective decision on his part, as it helped him complete the job quickly and easily. The large tree with its deep roots was a challenge to move, and he had to work hard to dig out plenty of dirt around the base of the tree before using an excavator to knock it down. This is necessary to ensure safe and effective tree removal. With a capacity of more than 575 horsepower, the Cat tractor is truly a symbol of outstanding power when it comes to knocking down such large trees. Indeed, the scene of a large tree being knocked down by two excavators is truly impressive and powerful. It's incredible to see a tree puller that can clear an acre of land in just about 5 hours. Its power and effectiveness are truly astonishing and admirable. After a tense struggle, the wheel seemed unable to move. The machine eventually brought down the large group of trees, demonstrating unwavering strength and perseverance. The Kobelco SK200SM excavator is truly a monster of the forest, capable of cutting down up to 60 trees in just 2 hours. He said that digging a tree stump is a labor-intensive job. Ideally, knock down the tree and remove the stump at the same time. It was an unbelievable and very brutal scene when a tractor pushed down a tree so large that the wheels flew off after a few impacts. This tree is really big and has a large canopy, making it a big challenge to cut down. They had to combine a cart in the back and a cart pulled with a chain in the front to be able to take it down. The big tree in the garden not only reduced the space but also did not create the shade he wanted. Therefore, he decided to hire an excavator to remove that tree, creating conditions for planting new trees and creating a cooler green space. The scene of an excavator knocking down a large tree on the edge of a high ditch is beautiful, demonstrating the strength and ingenuity of technology in working in difficult environments. The Titan Stump Bucket is an effective solution for removing small to medium-sized trees quickly and easily. Its flexible operation and power help save time and effort during work. Every push of the excavator is a testament to human strength and intelligence in using technology. The Kubota KX040 excavator demonstrated high efficiency when removing a series of small trees in the forest, creating a clean space to carry out a new project. Removing trees with a tiller requires him to constantly go back to make adjustments during operation, which is really difficult. However, after endless efforts, he finally succeeded in effectively removing the tree. Hiring a Senisai 135 billion excavator to knock down a series of large rubber trees in the garden brought him a large sum of money when sold to a carpentry workshop. To ensure the felling of large trees in a safe and precise direction, using an excavator is a smart choice. The help of an excavator not only helps control the trajectory of the tree, but also ensures safety for the person performing the tree cutting work. Expanding land by removing trees is an important part of urban and industrial development. However, to maintain ecological balance, planting new trees is necessary to protect the environment and ensure the stability of the local ecology. This planter with its 200 seedling trays is a significant improvement in plant growth. In particular, they are recommended for use on semi-dry and wet terrains thanks to their excellent mounting ability. With its fast speed and ability to green bare land and bare hills, this planter delivers high performance and effectively helps improve the living environment. In eastern Kentucky, a new habitat management technique called palm stringing is intended to help rid land of fall olive tree encroachment, allowing elk here to thrive. They used two large D6 Caterpillar bulldozers weighing 40 tons to pull the two ends of a giant chain to form an arc, sweeping all the plants and trees where they passed, quickly bringing them to a flat surface as desired. Can you imagine how big this oak tree is? When the Caterpillar 953 excavator weighed nearly 20 tons, it still fit within its canopy. But in the end, the oak tree was still knocked down with just one push. For such a huge tall tree, the Yanmar VIO50 excavator spent quite a lot of time struggling with it. But in the end, the tree was taken down. It seems that removing a large tree with this John Deere 35G mini excavator is so easy. In less than 1 minute, the tree lay still on the ground. During the process of building mountain climbing trails, this Volvo excavator is trusted to clear trees on both sides of the road, creating open space and convenient for carrying out construction work. Excavator showed its power not only to effectively remove trees, but it also ensures safety and saves time for trail projects that require versatility and the ability to traverse complex terrain. With just a single push, the Bobcat E50 took down a large tree. This shows us that this excavator is not just a tool, but a symbol of strength in the construction industry. The Bobcat mini excavator was selected to clear 53 acres of forest land on a Southern Illinois land management project because of its power and good work efficiency.
There she goes! Whoa!
This tree has roots that go deep into the ground. To remove it, the Kubota L39 wheel loader must dig up the surrounding soil before it can be pushed down. This is a challenge to the machine's power and flexibility, but also a testament to the technology's impressive performance in handling such difficult work. With the outstanding power of the Deere 50D mini excavator, it is pulling up each small tree with ease. And here are some great moments of tree removal excavators. With nearly 185 horsepower, this Caterpillar 320L tracker excavator is great for taking down a giant oak tree. Looking at this giant poplar tree that is more than 50 years old, few people would dare to think that it would be knocked down by this excavator in such a short time. He was very satisfied because thanks to this excavator, he removed this large tree easily without harming the surrounding environment. It's great that this mini excavator still works powerfully and easily with larger trees than I expected. Removing trees with this excavator helps clean all tree stumps and roots, saving time and costs for land reclamation and using the site for the next project. The driver shared that the time to remove this oak tree was difficult because the soil was too hard and the root depth was more than 12 feet. But fortunately, after digging the surrounding soil, Cat 953C was able to push this oak tree down. This giant tree seems to be too much for a mini bulldozer. Thanks to the help of the sawyer, the tree finally fell on the ground. Grip and Rip Tree Tractor with sturdy and flexible clamp design helps lift trees off the ground easily and enhances user safety. During the process of building mountain climbing trails, this Volvo excavator is trusted to clear trees on both sides of the road, creating open space and convenient for carrying out construction work. Excavator showed its power not only to effectively remove trees, but it also ensures safety and saves time for trail projects that require versatility and the ability to traverse complex terrain. Removing large trees with an excavator not only requires strength, but also brings amazing results when even the tree roots are removed. Join us to explore these wonderful scenes through the following video.